guys, I'm Bhairavi and with me is the head chef of Rang Mahal by Atul Kochar. That's Chef Amrish.
Thank you, Bhairavi. So I'm very excited to share this recipe because this is the recipe which I have learned on my first day when I entered the kitchen.
Oh, really?
So let's start with the recipe. Can you pass me the bowl?
Yep. Here you go.
And can you give me the knife, the red knife from there?
Okay.
So basically we just put some incisions in the chicken. This is a small chicken. The weight of this chicken is like 700 to 800 grams.
Is it an ideal weight?
For tandoori chicken, yes. And it's ready now.
All right.
We start with the first marination, which is we will season the chicken with some salt.
Okay, just sprinkling salt.
Followed by, I will add some ginger garlic paste.
Right.
First marination is basically you add salt, you add some acid, can be vinegar, can be yogurt, can be lemon.
Okay.
Then you add 1 or 2 spices and you rest the chicken for like 45 minutes to an hour.
Right.
And here I have my malt vinegar. And basically at this stage we have to just massage the chicken, so I
Okay.
just wear the gloves.
And you've put in some chili powder as well.
Yes.
Okay.
And the chili powder that I have used is Kashmiri chili powder.
Right.
And you can use degi mirch also.
Okay.
Now you have to assist me with some
Okay.
yogurt.
All right.
Here we go with a spoon.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of yogurt.
So that's 1. Heaped.
Yes,
All right.
that's it.
Okay.
So after adding the yogurt, we will add some chili paste.
Okay.
So
Are you suggesting कि मैं हर चीज में मिर्ची डालती हूँ?
no.
So how much do you want? I put one.
One more.
So basically we're putting in 2 spoons of chili paste.
Now you can add some black salt. Here we have the black salt.
Thank you for telling me which was the black salt. And how much of the black salt?
Maybe half a teaspoon. Yeah, perfect.
That much?
Yeah,
Right? Okay.
Now basically, like at this stage we have done the first marination. We have added a paste which is your yogurt, which will hold the marination.
Yeah.
Now we'll add some flavors. So we'll add some kasuri methi. Here we go with the kasuri methi,
Ji.
which is slightly roasted,
So
and then we have powdered. Yeah.
So that
Yeah,
much should be
yeah,
enough.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm putting in about half a teaspoon of kasuri methi.
Then we will add some green cardamom powder. Here we go.
And I'm sure whoever's watching in right now are probably learning a lot about the perfect tandoori chicken as well. So is that enough?
A little bit more, maybe half a spoon.
Okay.
Enough. Now we'll add some chopped coriander leaves.
Okay.
Here we go with some chopped coriander. Yeah,
Yeah, is that good?
that's good enough.
Quite generous.
And the last thing that we will add now is the mustard oil. So we can add some mustard oil.
And how much should I put in?
Yeah. Maybe 4 spoons, 4 teaspoons.
4 teaspoons of mustard oil.
1, 2, 3, and here we go with the 4. Perfect. So now we'll allow the chicken to rest for maybe 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
Then we'll roast in the oven.
Perfect.
I think the chicken is ready now. And like normally when we marinate the chicken, we rest it for like an hour to 2 hours in a refrigerator. But at the room temperature, you can rest the chicken for 30 minutes, which is more than enough for a small chicken. Yes.
Okay.
So we'll just put this chicken for roasting now. I'll get my tray.
Sure.
So here we have some skewers with us.
So basically, everyone watching can actually prepare this, and in how soon?
Yes, you can present. Also, you can present in a very nice way. So here we go with the skewer,
Okay.
which goes through and through.
All right.
Here we go with another skewer, which goes through and through. And can you just lightly baste it with butter? We have a brush there.
Sure.
I'll take one more skewer.
Ooh, I feel like quite the chef myself now. So should I do it already?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I being very generous?
Just on the top.
Just on the top. Okay.
And
Are we good?
the chicken is ready.
Yeah.
Once that nice roasting color is on the chicken, we have to cook the chicken internally, which will be at like, as I mentioned, at 200 degrees centigrade for another like 10 to 15 minutes, more than enough.
10 to 15 minutes. That's not bad at all. And then it gets that orangey
Yes.
tinge. Perfect.
I think now we should check our chicken.
Yay! So excited. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Aha. Here we go.
The smell, if only you guys could smell this.
Now at this stage, we'll put some lime or lemon.
Okay.
So can you pass me the green knife?
The green knife.
Yeah. And we'll remove the skewers.
Okay.
But we need to be very careful while removing the skewers because they can break in between.
Okay.
So we need to be very, very careful. Here we go. And we'll put some chaat masala. And we'll just base it with some
more butter. Of
more
course.
butter. As in Punjabi, we say, "Where is my makhan?"
Absolutely.
And some chopped coriander.
Okay.
So let me do a nice presentation for you before you taste my chicken.
Please take your time.
So we'll take the chicken out from the tray.
Right.
It goes on the board. And I've got some mint chutney prepared for you beforehand. I've got some nice bunch of mint leaves.
All right.
I'll just trim it from the base. And we'll put it here.
Oh, wow.
And we'll put some winter pickle. And which is the winter pickle?
Yeah.
It's a carrot pickle.
Everything just sounds so much more classier in English, right? Carrot pickle.
Yeah.
And you can have it with just about any dish.
Yeah.
This looks beautiful, chef.
And of course, we cannot miss some pickled onions as well. Here we go with some pickled onions.
And voila, here it is, the beautiful creation. It is Shah Rukh Khan's favorite dish.